Hello guys, we are back with another video. Today we'll be going to Warangal. We will check out the Thousand Pillar Temple and various other attractions over there. Right now we are at the highway. Stopped for breakfast. We had our breakfast. Now we'll be moving back on the highway. Unplanned rides are always the best, they say.
That's good.
So we are back on the road, starting off for Warangal. Though this signboard shows it is toward the left, but we cannot take the left as the outer ring road. So we are currently at Hanamakonda, Warangal. We are almost at the outskirts. We just stopped here to have some tea, some snacks, and then we'll check into a hotel and see what we can do for the rest of the day. It's almost 2 p.m. now, so we'll see if there is anything that we could see. Now there was no particular place that we could explore nearby. We explored these green fields and a lake.
Bye. Have a safe journey.
Now we explored the city a little bit and we're tired, so we plan to have our dinner at City's Dining on a local's recommendation. So hello guys, it is our second day in Warangal and it is 7 o'clock in the morning. We got up at 6, we got ready, we had to go to Ramappa Temple. So currently we'll be going to the Ramappa Temple. We'll be probably having our breakfast right here. So see you there. So hello guys, we are at the Thousand Pillar Temple. So we'll be going in and checking as to what all attractions are there. So let's go. After we finished our visit to Ramappa Temple, we moved to the Warangal Fort. So when you see the intricacy of these carvings, You can see, you can put your hand through this, and there is another groove there, a smaller one, which you can put your hand through, your finger through. I don't know how that is possible. After finishing with the Warangal fort, we moved to the Ramappa temple. However, the road was not great. There were patches in between, as you can see. It was rugged. So hello guys, so we woke up this morning and we covered the Thousand Pillar Temple and the Warangal Fort. We are just 10 kilometers away from Ramappa Temple. It's that way. So see you at the Ramappa Temple.
Thank you. Bye.